Rust buildup on the inside of your motorcycle gas tank or utility tank can cause big problems. Flaking rust can plug filters, restrict fuel flow, and clog valves, carburetors, and fuel injectors. Pinholes can form in the metal, and seam welds can be weakened, causing leaks. Replacing the tank can be expensive, especially in the case of classic motorcycles. Or you can save money and restore the tank to like-new condition with the KBS Cycle Tank Sealer Kit. This easy-to-use 3-step system contains everything needed to remove and stop rust inside a tank and permanently seal it with a tough fuel-proof coating. The kit can handle tanks up to 5 gallons in size. KBS Klean thoroughly cleans inside the tank. This high-strength water-based biodegradable cleaner thoroughly removes grime, grease, and other contaminants and is non-toxic. Water-based and biodegradable Rustblast effectively dissolves rust and tarnish. Rustblast also etches the metal and leaves a zinc-phosphate film for best adhesion of Gold Standard Tank Sealer. Gold Standard Tank Sealer thoroughly seals the tank and provides an exceptionally durable permanent coating. This environmentally safe, single-component, ready-to-use coating bonds strongly inside the tank and seals small pinholes and weld seams. Other tank sealers are little more than paint or adhesive-type coatings that seal poorly, especially when exposed to today's fuels. Gold Standard's formulation uses KBS cross-linked coatings technology, which combines a durable molecular structure with a flexible molecular structure to make the coating durable and flexible. The rock-hard finish remains flexible to withstand vibration and repeated expansion and contraction of the tank, so it won't crack or peel. Please note, if needed, KBS Strip can be used to remove previous tank coatings. This is done before using the 3-step system. The Cycle Tank Sealer Kit can be used with motorcycle tanks, generators, lawnmowers, tractors, and other tanks up to 5 gallons. Rust buildup inside a tank can cause big problems, so eliminate rust and permanently seal your tank from leaks and the return of rust with the KBS Coating Cycle Tank Sealer Kit. KBS coatings are proudly made in the USA.